Today at South, what we're doing is we're seeing a teen safety driving fair, and we have different exhibits from the Illinois Department of Transportation, the Jesse White Secretary of State, the Illinois State Police, and then Think First, which is a neck and brain injury information group. And all of them have different hands-on activities for the kids to do today, and really focusing on the dangers of texting and driving, drunk driving, and anything with, safety with driving.
The station I thought was the most informative today among the many that we visited was the simulators for distracted driving. As before this, I didn't realize how difficult it is to multitask, because if you're texting, you can't really pay attention to the road, which could result in accidents and injuries, or even fines and penalties to your driver's license and your record.
The number one thing we want them to know is that all the laws that are in effect right now were put there to protect them and their passengers. This is our rollover simulator, which was donated to us by AAA. What it does is it simulates a low-speed rollover crash with unrestrained occupants inside of it. So what it'll do is it'll spin around several times and it'll show what would happen to a person's body in the event of a rollover crash.
Teenagers are inexperienced to start and they're at a disadvantage, but the texting and driving right now, I think kids think it's not a big deal, and it's just something that everyone does. So just showing that and the dangers of it, and I think seeing live and participating in a live type of activity really helps with that.